Today we are going to discuss about the another problem, that part 2, that recurrence relation. See, in this question, find the recurrence relation for the sequence yn is equal to a into 3 power n plus b into minus 2 power n. Satisfy the condition yn plus 1 minus yn plus 2 minus yn plus 1 plus minus yn is equal to 0. So we have to satisfy this condition, that we find out the yn and yn plus 1 and yn plus 2. So listen, given yn is equal to a into 3 power n plus b into minus 2 power n. See here, we have to find that yn plus 1. That's why we have to satisfy the condition. So we have to find that yn plus 1. We have to apply the yn value instead of yn plus 1. So here yn plus 1 is equal to a into 3 power n plus 1 plus b into minus 2 power n plus 1. Then see, we have to write it as 3 power n plus 1. We write it as 3 power n into 3 power 1. That is am plus n is equal to a power m into a power n formula. So if this isolated formula, we have to apply here 3 power n into 3 power 1 plus b into minus 2 power n into minus 2 power 1. So here that 3 will be here and n into 3 power n minus into plus minus 2 into b power minus 2 power n. Then yn plus 1 is equal to 3 a power 3n minus 2 is to b into minus 2 power n. Then next we have to find yn plus 1, because of the applying y is satisfy the condition is yn plus 2 we need. So we have to find that yn plus 2. Then instead of yn we have to apply yn plus 2. So here we apply that yn instead of n plus 2, a into 3 power n plus 2 plus b into minus 2 power n plus 2. Then a into 3 power n into 3 power 2 as per the algebraic formula. So here we have to find that 3 power 2 plus minus 2 power n into minus 2 power 2. Then here yn plus 1, n plus 2 is equal to 9 into a power 3 power n plus 4 into b power minus 2 power n. So let me condition is yn minus 2, yn plus 1, 6yn is equal to 0. So we need that we found all the yn and yn plus 1 and yn plus 2. So now we satisfy the condition. We have to subtract all the values. So here already we found that yn plus 2 value minus yn plus 1 value and yn value is already given. So when we are applying the value of yn plus 2, then the a power 9 into a power 3 power n plus 4 into b power minus 2 power n minus, because of the we have to satisfy the condition is minus. So when we apply the minus and then yn plus 1, so 3 into a power 3 power n minus 2 into b power minus 2 power n. Then 6 in minus 6 into y power minus 6 into yn. So here a into 3 power n plus b into minus 2 power n. So the next we have to subtract and take all the brackets outside. Then see 9 a power 3n plus b into minus 2 power n, 3 into a power n, 2 into b power minus 2 power n, and then 6 a power 3 power n minus 6 b power minus 2 power n. See all the values here, that yn plus 2 and yn plus 1. See 9 a power 3 power n. See 9 value, then it is 3 and 6. So both will be minus 3 a power 3n minus 6 a power 3n. So here that 9 a power 3n is cancelled. Then 4b into minus 2 power n. See 4 2b power minus 2 power n, and then 2 b into minus 2 power n will be cancelled. So in this value, both will be cancelled because of the value is 6 b power minus 2 power n, 4 plus 2, and then minus 6 into b power minus 2 power n. So finally that value yn plus 2 minus yn plus 1 minus 6 yn, all the values are cancelled. The value is 0. So this is the, we have to satisfy the condition that they are given. So the given condition is satisfied. Thank you.